Begin standing at the head of your mat in mountain pose. We're going to start with a warm-up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. To upward salute. And hands to heart. We're going to do that 2 more times. Arms up and fold. Half lift and down. Upward salute. Hands to heart. Last one. Arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. And fold. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Step both feet back to plank. Lower through chaturanga, upward facing dog, to downward facing dog. Step your right foot through and come up to warrior 1. Open up to warrior 2. Exhale to extended side angle. And inhale to reverse warrior. Moving to a humble warrior, bowing the head. Inhale, coming back up to reverse warrior. Straighten the front leg to triangle pose. Lower the top hand, moving to a revolved triangle. To a runner's lunge. Step it back to plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, to downward facing dog. Step the left foot through, coming up to warrior 1. Open up to warrior 2. Extended side angle, to reverse warrior, to humble warrior, coming up to reverse warrior. Straighten the front leg to triangle pose. To a revolved triangle. To runner's lunge. Step back to plank, come through chaturanga, upward facing dog. To downward facing dog. Step the right foot through to a runner's lunge. Plant the left palm, rotate to the right, raising the arm. Lower the back knee, raising the arms to a low lunge. Lower the hands, press the hips back to a half split. Moving forward to a lizard pose, curl the back toes under, raising the knee. To crescent lunge. Hands down, step it back to plank. Chaturanga, upward facing dog. To downward facing dog. Step the left foot forward to a runner's lunge. Plant the right palm, twist open to the left. Lower the back knee to low lunge, raising the arms. Lower the hands, press the hips back to a half split. To lizard pose, curl the back toes under, raising the knee. And coming up to a crescent lunge. Lower the hands, step it back to plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, to downward facing dog. Raise the right leg to three-legged dog, bend the knee and float back to wild thing. Return to three-legged dog and lower the leg. Raise the left leg, bend the knee, float back to Wild Thing. Return to three-legged dog and lower the leg. Hopping up to a garland pose, hands together at your heart. Get long through the back and neck. Engage the legs and press to standing. Step the right foot back, clasping your hands behind you, fold to an intense side stretch. Coming up, keep the hands as they are, step the right foot up, left leg back, and fold. Coming up, release the hands and step the left foot up. Inhale to upward salute. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to a half lift, flat back, raising the heels, coming onto the toes. And fold. Step the right foot back to a runner's lunge and raise the arms. Lower the left arm, twisting open to the right in an open twist. Hands down, step back to down dog, hinge to plank, and back to down dog. Hop to garland. Press to standing. Inhale to upward salute. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to chair pose. Exhale, fold. Step the left foot back to runner's lunge, raise the arms. Lower the right hand, open your twist to the left. Hands down, step it back to down dog. Hinge to plank, and back to down dog. Step your right foot forward and rotate to Skandasana or low side lunge. Shift over to the left side. Pressing up to a wide stance. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to a standing wide-legged fold. Plant the left palm, twist open to the right. Lower the right hand, open up to the left. Lower the left hand, return to standing. Turn the toes out, inhale, arms up, and lower to goddess pose, cactus arms. Inhale up, exhale, hands to heart. Walk your feet back into a mountain pose as we take a few deep breaths here to finish up.